Ever wondered why birds fly in a V formation? It's not just a stunning sight, but a marvel of nature's engineering. The V formation reduces air resistance, allowing each bird to benefit from the uplift of the one in front. This clever strategy conserves energy, enabling birds to travel much farther without tiring. Scientists have noted that this formation allows them to communicate and coordinate more effectively, ensuring their migration is steady and safe. Interestingly, birds rotate positions in the V, sharing leadership to distribute the workload fairly. This teamwork illustrates the brilliance of nature's cooperative strategies. If you found this insight fascinating, be sure to like and subscribe for more captivating content about the wonders of the natural world.